Hey friends, I am Janvi. Welcome back to my channel. Do you feel like learning English is hard or takes too much time? What if I told you that one word a day could help you speak better English in a few weeks? Sounds simple, right? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you a powerful trick, the one word a day challenge. It's easy, effective, or perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to improve fast. You don't need to learn 100 words a day. It's stressful or hard to remember. Instead, just focus on one useful word every day. Learn it deeply, how to use it, how to pronounce it, and how to use them in your own sentences. This method really works because your brain loves simple and repeated learning. When you use a word in real sentences, it becomes part of your active vocabulary. So here's how to do it. Step first, pick one English word every day. It should be a word you can use in your real life. Step 2, understand its meaning and pronunciation. Step 3, create at least 3 sentences using that word. Speak them out loud. Step 4, try to use that word in your daily conversations or even while thinking in English. Let's try it with a word right now. Okay, today's word is excited. Excited meaning feeling very happy or eager about something. Now let's make 3 easy sentences. First, I'm so excited to learn English with you. Second, she was excited about her birthday gift. Third, are you excited for the weekend? Now say those sentences with me. Let's repeat it. I'm so excited to learn English with you. She was excited about her birthday gift. Here are a few tips to make it more fun. Write your words and sentences in a notebook or diary. Use colorful sticky notes and place them where you can see them. Record your voice saying the word and play it back to hear your pronunciation. Learning becomes very fun when you keep it simple and consistent. So, my challenge to you is starting today. Learn one word every day and make 3 sentences with it. You will be amazed at how quickly your English improves. If you want me to post a new word daily with example sentences, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for English learning tips. Let's learn together, one word at a time. Bye bye.